He steps through the breach rip in the fabric of reality, slick with static and pulsing with unpredictable light. Where Gotham once sprawled, now there's something else. Neon towers, flying vehicles, signs and languages he doesn't know. The Joker, Prince of Crime, is somewhere new, but the itch under his skin remains the same. Before we get ahead of ourselves, a question. Can one man, if you could even call him a man, append order across universes? There's chaos in every city, corruption in every system, but is Joker's brand of madness really universal? He wanders these fresh streets. In T's world, they call it Neo-Tokyo. Here, law is enforced by drones, not weary cops with mortgages. He laughs. The drones do not. Time for a little test. Joker lifts a pie improvised and laced with EMP straight into traffic. The drones spiral, spark, crash in the gleeful riot he orchestrates every time. Within hours, the city grid flickers, confusion blossoms like black mold, and the Joker's face appears on cracked public screens, beamed from hijacked signals. The police here are disciplined. Their leader, Inspector Yoshida, is not Gordon. Within a day, she has a task force. Within 2 days, Joker's hideout is compromised. But the city's already off Balenza dance he thrives in. Asleep Sawai, disguised as a tech journalist. After all, he's had practice. But universes are stubborn. Order, given time, stitches itself back up. Even chaos leaves footprints, signals, warnings. So Joker moves on. The breach appears again, thin as a razor, and he slices through. This time, Metropolis. Here, Aurier wears a blue suit and a red cape. The Joker, suit wrinkled and makeup untouched, strolls under watchful eyes. Superman notices him almost immediately. What's a clown among Kryptonians? At first, laughter and spectacle green gas at the bank, riddles painted on monuments. Superman plugs every leak, foils every scheme, even offers mercy. Turn yourself in. Joker, there's help. But that's not how this works. And not how Joker wants to play. Joker lays a threat for the world. Not one personal mind virus. Seeded through broadcast. Turning every television and phone into a transmitter of maddening noise. Left unchecked, reasoning falters. Chaos eats Metropolis from the inside. For 3 hours, it looks like the city might crack. Then, steel arrives faster than reaction. Almost faster than understanding. Kryptonian ingenuity pairs with Batman's algorithmic analysis. They shut Joker down. With him trapped in reinforced glass, Superman leans close. You think you're different here? Superman asks. You're not, and we'll stop you every time. For once, Joker's silence says enough. But this isn't the end, because the Joker doesn't stop, and neither do the universes. Next, it's a world of sorcery rooftops thrumming with eldritch sigils, guardians with mystical cloaks. Joker sneaks in under a moon flashing purple, already learning the rules. Pranks become spells. A deck of tarot cards, stacked with curses, collapses into the sanctum. Dr. Strange, not unamused, flicks him through mirrors and illusions. Even madness, it turns out, follows physical laws when magic is involved, and still, the Joker leaves a mark. Apprentices disillusioned, a sorcerer gone missing. Headlines uncertain how to explain rain that screams. He learns, each place a new dialect of chaos, learning the boundaries, nudging at what can and can't be broken. Here's the answer. Joker can write disorder in any place, for any people. But order, in every universe, adapts. Sometimes it's machines, sometimes it's heroes. Sometimes it's the steady, boring grind of everyday people, fixing what's broken. Does Joker ever win? It depends on how you define it. He's remembered. He's resisted. He's always necessary. For as long as these universes hinge between control and freedom, between banality and nightmare, he will always test the lock, and someone somewhere will always repair it. In the end, that's the joke. Not that chaos reigns, but that even in suffering and danger, order refuses to collapse entirely. Universe, whatever its champions, has a tipping point. And no matter how many times Joker tips the scales, someone will bring them back again. Across universes, Joker rewrites order into chaos, but only for a moment. The punchline: chaos never gets the last laugh. That's reserved for order, patiently, unglamorously, piecing itself back together every time, no matter how many worlds he walks.